Operation Guide of CHUBORY X11 Pro Drone. 2-axis gimbal. Anti-shaking drone. Product list. Precautions. Please abide by local regulations strictly. To avoid injury, please operate in strict accordance with the instruction. Before you start the flight, please make sure that the operator is 3 meters away from the drone and keep away from the crowds and obstacles. For outdoor flight, please make sure that GPS calibration is successful and satellite searching quantity is more than 10 N per second. Keep away from fire or flammable materials during charging. Do not overcharging. Please unplug the charger once fully charged. Replacement of accessories. Propeller installation. Screw out the screw. Take out the propeller. Please distinguish L and R when replacing the propeller. The left front and right rear ones are propeller L. The right front and left rear ones are propeller R. Put in the propeller. Tighten the screw. Battery replacement and charging. Press the buckle and pull out the battery. Connect one end of USB charging cable to battery charging socket. The other end is connected to the 5 volts 3 to 5 amperes adapter USB socket. The battery indicator changes to a continuous light after full charge. Push the fully charged battery into the battery socket. Wi-Fi connection. Scan QR code to download app. Connect to Wi-Fi in phone settings. Open app after successful connection. In this case, you need to read the user terms and privacy agreement first and then check. Click Start Flight to enter the main operation interface. Click the More function button. Display control interface. Click Gimbal control button. Gimbal camera can be adjusted up and down. Pre-flight preparation. Unfold the drone arm. Press and hold the power button for 4 seconds to start the drone. At this time, the red light of the drone flashes. Turn on the remote control. The drone automatically moves into the frequency matching state. At this time, the red light of the drone goes out, and then the front white light and the red-blue light flash. It shows that the frequency matching between the drone and the remote control is successful. At this time, the LCD screen of the remote control displays GPS on and mode 1. The drone default outdoor GPS mode. At this time, mode 1 shows that the satellite search is not completed. Gyroscope calibration. Push the left and right joysticks to the bottom right corner at the same time. Drone lights flash. Remote control makes sounds of beep. It means the gyroscope calibration successfully. Compass magnetometer calibration. Press the compass key. The red, white, and blue lights of the drone all begin to flash quickly. Keep the drone level, pick it up about 1 meter above the ground, and then rotate the drone clockwise for 3 circles. When the remote control makes sounds of beep, the front red and white lights of the drone stop flashing. It means that the level compass calibration has been successful. Hold the drone face up about 1 meter height and rotate it clockwise for 3 circles. There is a beep sound, and the front white lights and back blue lights start flashing. All the red lights turn off. It means that the vertical compass calibration has been successful. GPS calibration. After compass calibration, the drone is in the state of GPS searching. Put it back down to level surface. When the remote control makes a sound a long beep, the white and blue lights of the drone have switched to solid. It means that the search is successful. Mode 2 is displayed on the remote control screen. The drone is in the state of GPS mode. You can start the GPS outdoor flight. Place the mobile phone on the remote control's bracket so you can enjoy the flight view through the mobile phone and operate with the remote control at the same time. Basic flight. Press the start key to unlock the drone. Press 1 key takeoff. The drone takes off. Press the 1 key landing for 3 seconds. the drone landing. Up, down, left, right, forward, back, left side flight, right side flight, 3-speed switch. Long press headless mode key to start headless mode. Press the headless mode key again to cancel headless mode. Camera steering gear adjustment, up and down. Click the 50 times zoom key. Zoom times of lens view can be adjusted freely. Click the camera toggle button. You can switch different camera of the drone freely and enjoy multiple views of the flight at the same time. Intelligent AR. Embedding AR 3D model in real-time video stream. Surround flight. Click the surround button. Click the OK icon. The nose of the drone will center on the current position of the drone and fly around clockwise or counterclockwise. Waypoint Flight. Click the Waypoint Flight icon. The drone will fly according to the selected position on the map. GPS following. Click the GPS follow icon. The drone will follow the mobile phone. GPS return. Press return key. The remote control will make the sound of beep, and then the drone returns to the takeoff point automatically. Photographing and video recording. Short press the photo button to take a picture. Long press the video key to record. Press the key again to cancel the recording. Gesture photograph. Make the yeah gesture about 2 meters in front of the camera. The drone will take photos automatically after 3 seconds of successful gesture recognition. Hand gesture video. Close the 5 fingers. One hand lift flat. The drone will start recording automatically after 3 seconds of successful gesture recognition. Recognize the gesture again. End the recording. Click the album icon. View and create photos and videos. Optical flowing mode operation. Indoor or without GPS, long press the mode switch key manually. Switch to optical flowing mode. Control the drone in optical flow mode. Please be aware that GPS mode and optical flowing mode can only be switched before takeoff. Please use GPS mode for outdoor flight. Otherwise, the drone may be lost. Palm control. In optical flow mode, click the palm control icon. One hand flat lift in front of the camera. When the palm is in the red box on app, the drone will follow the palm up or down. Follow the master. Click Follow Master button in optical flow mode. The drone will follow the target person. MV making. Click on the MV icon. Enter MV interface. MV function can add filter, music, lens functions, and one-click sharing. For more functions, please refer to the instruction manual of CHUBORY X11 Pro drone.